ठिकै हुन्छ 29 Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I think after a few days I'm making this vlog. To be honest, I was just being lazy to edit. So I'm gonna go towards Rachna bookstore. That's development area. Also, I even tightened my chain day before yesterday. We had gone for Sunday ride, and then because of a bit of aggressive riding my chain was a bit loose, so because of that I had to tighten the chain. So now it's just perfect. So today we are going to talk about motorcycle tips for beginners. So I'm going to discuss 3 tips. Look at this traffic. The first tip is so basically for a beginner's motorcycle, you're going to choose a motorcycle which will be suitable for you. So according to me, according to my opinion, I would suggest you to go with a 300 or 250cc bike. If you are still confused about the cc, like if you still think that 300 and 250cc is more powerful, then you can definitely go for a 150cc bike. There are a lot of options available, especially between those segments 150, 250 and 300. So for 150 section there is R15 MT15, depending upon your choice, the ergonomics, that is if you like sports type body position, then you can go for an RM5, or naked one with an upright position, then you can definitely go with the MT15. So, and if you want a bit powerful bike like the 250 or the 300, then there's lots of options around that segment. There's KTM Duke 200, there's KTM Duke 250, even a KTM 125 I think. Also there's 390 section, 390 segment as well, which is a bit powerful. But if you can handle the power, you can definitely go for that. There's Ninja 300 as well for the 300 section. So I wanted to add some few points out here. There are lots of beginner segment. If you want to start riding a motorcycle, then you can definitely go for a adventure tourer as well, like the Himalayan or the KTM Adventure 390, or even a Versus 300, those type of motorcycle where you can do some adventure as well as tour on it. So I forgot to mention that section. And okay, continue with the video. That's about it for the beginners selection of the bike. And the second point is the riding gear. So riding gear is very, very important. If you are, obviously your body parts are more expensive than the riding gear, so therefore I would suggest you to get a good helmet, comfortable good helmet, a proper riding jacket. You don't need to buy an expensive one, just go for a budget one. And then riding gloves, maybe boots and pants, so depending upon your budget. And then we move on towards the maintenance. That's the third point. The motorcycle maintenance part is very important because you need to the maintenance part is a bit tricky. You need to be able to maintain the bike properly so that it will run for more years to come. And few things which you can do it yourself, like a DIY. Definitely adjust and clean and lube your chain. Also maybe do your own oil change, engine oil change. A bit of those small maintenance parts you can definitely do it yourself. And also check your tire pressure every time you go out. These are very important. And also like taking care of your tires. And then when you are about to change your tire, what kind of tire, what's the budget, you have to see everything. So these are the small parts, small things that you need to take care of if you are a beginner motorcyclist, or if you're planning to buy a motorcycle. If you get a good second-hand used motorcycle for a good deal, then definitely think about that as well. So you're gonna be a beginner and you're definitely gonna drop your bike at some point, so it's better to have a used one, and then you'll get a lot of value for money if you buy a used bike. So that's about it for now. If you guys have any more points, do write it down in the comment section below and I will reply. So anyways, see you for now. Oh, it's going to rain.
Later.
I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want any suggestions for your beginner's motorcycle and anything related to the topic, you guys can ping me or comment in the section below, or you can DM me on Instagram. So anyways, see you in the next one.